Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is about the designing of a login page. Here is the first look of our login page which we are going to create. First of all, open Visual Studio Code, which is one of the most reliable tools for coding and programming. Enter an exclamation mark, which results in a boilerplate as shown. This is where we are going to start coding. Doctype informs the web browser about the type and version of HTML used in the building of web document. HTML describes the structure of a web page. Head element is a container for metadata. When you declare charset as UTF-8, you are telling your browser to use UTF-8 character encoding, which is a method of converting your typed characters into machine-readable code. Add title, whatever you want to set. Now, it's time to write the body of our login page or document. The body element contains all the contents of HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Now type form. A web form on a web page allows a user to enter data that is sent to a server for processing and press enter. It appears like this. Form action specifies where to send the form data when the form is submitted. As we are not sending the form anywhere, so it remains empty. Type H1 for heading and H1 to H6 is used to change the font size of a heading. After that, type input. Input is an input field where the user can enter data such as username or password, etc. Placeholder is a word or a character that temporarily takes the place of a final data. Do the same thing for password. Just replace the word password with text and username. Write the same line for the submit or login option. Now we have completed our form. Let's move towards styling. If we apply any kind of styling in body, it will apply to each and every option of the body. But if you want to apply specifically to a tag, write its class and IDs separately. I choose sans serif font for the whole body. Then I apply a background image and a new element and then continue styling. Add content because it is necessary as we are not having a content, so it will remain empty. Afterwards, I apply absolute position. Add top and left to its position, then add height and width. Add z-index and opacity as required. After that, I am adding CSS in the form which I assigned in the class box. Add border 3px solid. Now I'm adding blurry box shadow and background color. I want my text center position, so I use the text align center. Now add margins and padding. As I have done it for many times, so I remember some of the RGBs and hex colors. I want to increase my font size, text color white, add border but no background, I don't want any outline, but I want my border to be curved, so I add border radius. If I want someone to focus on this input, so its width should increase after some time. So I'm adding grid in my box input as focus. I'm adding border color and transition is equal to 0.25 seconds. Now I'm adding transform feature. Add width and padding. Add its position to absolute top left side. Add CSS in H1 of class heading. Then add font size, text align, center, font color white, and font weight is equal to 500. it seems like I should add some more beauty to my input tags, i.e. text or password. So I'm adding border, text align center, display, so that I can fix width and other items according to my choice. Now it's time to decorate the submit input. Add no background, but add border color. Border radius, font size, font color, width, padding, transition, and cursor pointer. So that when I take cursor to submit option, it looks like a hand. And the last thing that I want to decorate is when someone hovers on my submit option. Its background color, font color, and width will be changed. And here it is. It's looking pretty good. So this is how we design our login page. You can try the same. So yes, that's it. Here is our login page. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.